thought about it time after time after time. Do we truly know if our BMW is on its last leg, meaning the engine is just gonna completely die out sooner than later? Or do we know that our high mileage BMW is working great? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the health of your BMW engine with a quick, easy check that's not gonna cost you anything, just as simple as starting your car up, and I'll show you just that. All right, so what you're gonna do, make sure your car is on, right in of course. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the cap with the car running. If you're gonna see blow by, you're gonna see smoke coming out. That means oil is getting past the piston rings and it's basically smoking up through. So as you can tell, I might have a little bit, just a little bit. And I would say that would be normal for a 156,000 mile BMW N54 engine. The biggest thing is that if you are pouring blow by smoke out of here, meaning it's really coming out, then you know your engine is on its last verge and it's about to blow. So normal smoke just like that, very light, if not at all, and I'm good. 156,000 miles, not gonna be 100% perfect, but it's really, really good, running great. And that's a quick, easy check for you guys to be able to see. Like I said, if it's pouring out, you can also check if you have the catch can too. It'll be venting out of here. Well, there you guys go, a easy and free way to check to see if your BMW is truly on its last leg, meaning the engine. You know, just by taking the cap off and looking at what blow by is coming through your piston rings, that is gonna be a really true indication as far as how well your internal engine, right, your rings, all that on your pistons are performing to its best. If you open that cap up and you have nothing but lots and lots of smoke coming out of your engine valve cover, then you know you have either a down cylinder or a few down cylinders. One is contributing to it, so you know therefore you're going to have an issue overall. At 156,000 miles, I do have just a little bit of blow by that's coming in there, but I would say that's pretty normal for a N54 to say the least, but at 156,000 miles to do that. It's only just a little bit that you can see that comes out, so I'm actually pretty satisfied with that. I've always been checking this method for quite some time now, but I wanted to share off a little quick and easy free check for you guys. It's as simple as that. If you start seeing lots of smoke, then you know you need to look further into your cylinders, meaning do a compression test on all 6 of your cylinders just to see which one's at fault, or just so you can start doing some root cause to be able to nail that down. Other than that, N54 is here, is doing great. Hopefully your guys is doing good as well. I know it's been going around quite a bit as far as N54s being blown. Remember, it's all in the tune, of course, who your tuner is, how well your car's performing. You know, you need to spot things as well when you're reviewing your logs. So doing data logging is very critical. If you have a tuned BMW, please, I can't stress that enough, go out and do some logs, review all your logs, so that way you know your BMW is good to go and you're not gonna have any issues. Well guys, that does it for today. Thank you for stopping in, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and of course comment below. Have a great week.
This is a Chuki Beat production.